Hello, my name is Dr. Bobbitt and I teach either your student's Algebra 2 class or your student's statistics class. I've been getting a few questions about students thinking that their modules are locked, that they can't do the work, and I kind of wanted to clarify about the way in which Canvas is set up. Okay, so right now I'm in my Algebra 2 module. I'm at the home page of it. And right now I'm in student mode, so what I'm doing will be similar to what your student experiences. So I'll always have the most recent module or assignment set up right here on the home page. So I have lesson 4.2 set up, and if I click on that, it'll bring me to the module for that lesson, for lesson 4.2. All right, it takes a little bit to load. All right, so here's that module, and notice I can't click on anything. And the reason for that is that the way that the modules are set up in Algebra 2 is before you can do the lesson 4.2 module, you first need to complete the lesson 4.1 module. All right, so that module is actually going to be here. Now I want to show you one more thing before I do that. So another thing that students sometimes do is if I go home, it'll have on this sidebar things to do. So here's an assignment in that lesson 4.2 module, which again for me is currently locked because I haven't yet done lesson 4.1. So when I click on it, alright, it says that this quiz is part of module 4.2 and that hasn't been unlocked yet. So what that really means is that so it actually goes on to say right here, the following requirements need to be completed before this page will be unlocked. And that requirement is I need to complete the lesson 4.1 module. Now, let me show you where I have all of the modules posted for easy navigation. If you go to the home page, I have this list called prior modules. If you click on that, it'll give you a list of all of the modules. Alright, and so I need to do lesson 4.1 before I can do lesson 4.2. Alright, now this is the other thing about the way these modules are set up. Sometimes a student might want to skip straight to the assignment right here, but they actually can't do that. The modules are set up in such a way that you have to actually start at the beginning, watch the video on it so they learn the content, take the attendance, and so on. So they need to start at the beginning and then gradually work their way to the assignment. So I would need to start, I can't start here. This is the assignment. I can't do anything with that right now. I have to start at the beginning where I have the instructions. Alright, I can read those and then I can move on to the next part in the module by clicking next. Right here I can download a notes page and a worksheet page. It's got a few other important information there. But then this is what's really important, is I want the students to actually listen to the notes on the content. Alright, so that's what this is right here. This will go over that information.
We have it set.
Alright. Okay, so I just wanted to make this video because I know that there's still confusion going on about how these modules are set up, and there's two things to keep in mind. Is you can't do later modules, all right? Like you can't do modules later in Unit 4 until I've done the first one. All right, now I'm going to open up lesson 4.3 tomorrow, and when I do, you can't begin that lesson until you've completed lesson 4.2. So that's a way that I kind of make sure that the students are keeping up and not skipping some of the prior important information. And the other important thing is that you have to start at the beginning of each module. Alright, so I'll go ahead and end it right there. You can email me if you still have any questions about this.